In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. I'll use a sphere and a cube to create a simple mesh-based sketch scene. Please render the image and import it in Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Please set the preprocessor to none, and select the correct depth model. Let's try it again. Now that the AI knows what we need, let's send this result to image to further enhance the details. To repair any face-related issues, please use Stable Diffusion's InPaint feature. I have uploaded a short video on how to use InPaint to fix the facial issues. Weird nose or eye issues seem to occur when there are too much details for the AI to calculate and draw. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.